Welcome to the World Best Car channel, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. Today, we are diving into a game-changer in the SUV market, the Mazda CX 90 PHEV. If you've been on the lookout for a car that delivers a perfect blend of power, efficiency, and cutting-edge hybrid technology, then this vehicle might just be what you've been waiting for. Buckle up, because we're about to take you through a detailed journey of why the Mazda CX 90 PHEV is making waves in the automotive world. The Mazda CX 90 PHEV isn't just any hybrid SUV. It's a statement of elegance, power, and sustainability. Designed for those who want to drive with style and enjoy a more eco-conscious driving experience, this vehicle combines impressive performance with remarkable fuel efficiency. The CX 90 PHEV offers something unique, where luxury meets the future of driving. Let's start with the heart of the CX 90 PHEV, its advanced hybrid system. Powered by a sophisticated combination of a high-capacity battery and a robust internal combustion engine, this SUV is engineered to handle a variety of driving conditions while providing an optimal balance of performance and fuel efficiency. Whether you're driving through city streets or heading off on a long highway journey, the CX 90 PHEV ensures you'll never feel short on power. When it comes to performance, the Mazda CX 90 PHEV does not disappoint. Under the hood, it features a hybrid powertrain that delivers an incredible blend of electric power and gasoline efficiency. The electric motor alone can propel the vehicle for short trips, allowing you to drive in pure electric mode for short commutes, giving you a silent, smooth ride with zero tailpipe emissions. But don't be fooled by its hybrid nature. The gasoline engine kicks in seamlessly when you need extra power, ensuring that whether you're accelerating on the freeway or climbing up steep hills, the CX 90 PHEV provides the performance you need without hesitation. The combined output from both power sources gives this SUV ample power for any driving situation, making it an ideal choice for those who demand both efficiency and thrill. One of the standout features of the Mazda CX 90 PHEV is its impressive all-wheel drive capability, providing excellent traction and stability across a variety of road conditions. This SUV can confidently handle everything from rain-slicked roads to more challenging off-road paths, all while keeping you comfortable inside its luxurious cabin. If you enjoy a dynamic driving experience, the CX 90 PHEV delivers with its responsive handling and smooth acceleration, making every drive a joy. Of course, no modern vehicle would be complete without a comprehensive suite of safety features, and the Mazda CX 90 PHEV doesn't fall short in this department. The SUV is equipped with Mazda's SkyActiv Sense safety suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system, just to name a few. These advanced safety technologies are designed to keep you and your passengers safe, no matter where your journey takes you. Whether you're on a busy city street or cruising along a winding mountain road, the Mazda CX 90 PHEV offers peace of mind with its intelligent safety features that monitor and assist you on the road. To sum it up, the Mazda CX 90 PHEV is an exceptional vehicle that redefines what it means to drive a hybrid SUV. With its stunning performance, impressive fuel efficiency, luxurious interior, and cutting-edge technology, this car truly offers the best of both worlds. Whether you're seeking a dynamic driving experience, an eco-friendly solution, or a family-friendly ride, the CX 90 PHEV ticks all the boxes. If you're ready to experience the future of driving, the Mazda CX 90 PHEV is waiting for you. Stay tuned to World Best Car for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Drive safe, and see you in the next video.